This tour was amazing and worth every penny. Trang, our tour guide, was so knowledgeable and made the experience unforgettable. The tour through the market was really cool to see, the coconut boats were fun, and the cooking is a great learning experience. The food portions were huge with multiple courses. We were all so full at the end. They were very accommodating to our diet needs as well. Trang taught us a lot about Vietnam's culinary history. I would do this tour again on our next visit. Despite the cool and rainy weather, this was an amazing experience. The Taking chef spoke excellent English, menu was great and delicious, shopping for ingredients and cooking were fun. Totally recommend it. We were picked up by a driver in our hotel and drove us to Hoi An, where we met our tour guide, Honorable. Before we went for a basket boat ride, Han toured us in the market to buy for our cooking ingredients. That was done after the basket boat ride. We enjoyed both the basket boat tour and eco-cooking. We witnessed the happiness of the basket boat people. We ate what we cooked and we loved it. The cooking experience was absolutely amazing from start to finish. It began with a fun trip to the local market to shop for groceries, followed by an enjoyable ride in a basket boat through the beautiful coconut forest. Learning about the use of rice in Vietnamese cooking was fascinating, and the hands-on cooking session with 4 delicious dishes was the highlight. I really appreciated how they accommodated vegetarian cooking for me, even though the rest of the class was preparing meat and seafood dishes. The explanations and demonstrations were so clear and precise that every dish turned out perfectly. It was such a fun and engaging experience, and I can't wait to try out the recipes at home. Highly recommend this class to anyone visiting. Amazing experience. The guide was very patient and helpful. He took us to the market and brought ingredients that were needed for the cooking class. We went on coconut boat with an old lady and did fishing. She caught a little crab for us. The guide was also our chef. He taught us recipes and we made them. The food was delicious. Overall, worth the money. Must try if you like Vietnamese cuisine and love cooking. Thoroughly enjoyed their tour, such an amazing experience. We started off at the local markets to purchase the ingredients. Then made our way to the coconut boats with friendly, charismatic boat rowers who took us around and dropped us off to the cooking class, which I highly recommend trying. A lovely activity to do in Hoi An. Convenient pick-up and drop-off from our hotel. We visited a local market where we picked up some ingredients to cook with. Then we rode the basket boats down the river with the option to pay extra to spin fast. Also tried out some crab fishing. Then we started our cooking class. Our guide was great and all instructions were clear. We cooked 4 dishes. All delicious and simple to make. Highly recommended this tour. We enjoyed this tour. Good value as it included the basket boat ride and the authentic Vietnamese cooking experience. Highly recommended. We were very pleased with the service and assistance that was provided by Trang. She was very helpful and her instructions were very clear. We wish her all the best. An amazing day which started off at the local market where our guide explained about the different types of produce. We then took the coconut boats around the river, tried some crab fishing and headed off for our cooking class. We tried our hand at making fresh rice paper and then started the classes. We made a variety of meals and they were all amazing. Our guide Tim was a standout. Highly recommend the tour. Amazing experience. It's our first time on a cooking class and we definitely had loads of fun. Our guide Trang was great and very helpful. We definitely had our master chef moment cooking up a fire. Definitely recommend this tour. The eco-cooking class in Hoi An was an unforgettable experience. It's more than just a cooking class, it's an immersive adventure. We started with a local market tour to gather fresh ingredients, which gave us insight into Vietnamese culture and everyday life. Then, we took a scenic boat ride through the coconut forest, which was both relaxing and unique. The actual cooking session was hands-on and fun. The instructors were friendly, knowledgeable, and patient, guiding us step by step as we prepared a variety of delicious traditional Vietnamese dishes. The ingredients were fresh, and the recipes were easy to follow, even for beginners.